Namaskaram. Given that our liver is the largest organ in our body, it goes without saying that it is also one of the most important organs as it plays a major role in regulating our system's equilibrium and determining how healthy we are holistically. Storage, synthesis and detoxification are the three main bodily processes that the liver is in charge of performing. The role of the liver is to digest and metabolize medicines into forms that are safe for the body to utilize while also extracting nutrients from the blood that travels through it. Therefore, we must take proper care of our liver considering the intricate mechanism of this important organ. And for it to happen, we must immediately stop all behaviors that could potentially harm the liver. The following are some frequent lifestyle choices that seriously endanger our liver. First, eating late at night aggravates Pitta and Vata dosha by causing indigestion and gastritis. Eating meals that are heavily processed or are stale, putting an excessive burden on the liver's ability to process the food and remove poisons. Eating late at night, especially non-vegetarian meals, dairy products, deep fried and greasy foods, stresses the liver since it makes it difficult to digest. Excessive consumption of carbohydrate-rich foods such as bread, pasta, cookies, pastries, pizza, potatoes, cornstarch or corn syrup, along with refined sugar, is also not easy on the liver. Overdosing or nutritional supplements, especially iron, can potentially cause damage to the liver. Being on medications for a long period of time for chronic ailments could also be one of the potential causes. One of the most common and well-known causes of liver ailments is excessive intake of alcohol. Now let us look at some of the home remedies for enhancing your liver health. Intake of aloe vera gel helps purify the blood and promote liver function. Eating fruits and vegetables will keep your blood sugar levels under control and help you manage the fatty liver disease. Increasing your intake of monosaturated and polysaturated omega-3 fatty acids by using oils such as olive oil, eating oily fish like salmon and sardines twice or thrice a week, and regularly consuming nuts and seeds. Reducing consumption of highly processed meals like fast food, commercially baked foods and sweets can also help with this condition. Increasing consumption of high fiber foods such as veggies, whole grains, nuts and seeds is also beneficial. A traditional remedy for liver problem, milk thistle, may boost the production of enzymes that help the liver knock out the toxins. We hope these dietary changes as well as the lifestyle modifications will help you protect your liver. See you in the next video. Pranam.